What's going on? This is Valencia GLQ and welcome back to my channel. I just want to say make sure you hit that notification with the subscribe button and make sure that you like this video, share it with somebody else that may be able to try to figure out how they can grow their economy in 2023. So we're living in a crazy economic climate, and as always, I have some goodies. This is a business in a box for anybody who is an entrepreneur. You're thinking about becoming one, not sure what to do. You create books, magazines, whatever you want to do. This can be for you. So share it, tap in, sit down. Hey, what's going on? This is Valencia GLQ. Listen, now I know it's been a while since I did a video on Builderall. I have been using Builderall for years now for all my business services. This is why I call it the business in a box, because it's truly one of the best platforms you can ever have for email marketing, for lead generation, for websites, sales funnels, apps, creating videos, hosting it, webinars. I mean, it's so powerful. It's so much stuff on here. You'd be surprised. Honestly, I don't even think I utilize it every aspect of what it's really for. Okay. You don't have to share the platform, but you can. And of course, there's a way to make 100% commission. And then, you'll be able to earn 30% of what is going on with the people you share it with, because they have other needs or what they want to use it for, right? Most people who are really genuine about their business need tools. So this has Builderall website, right? Mailing boss. We're talking about email marketing. Some people think email is dead. You'd be surprised how many responses I get from emails alone. You have e-learning. You can create e-courses, right? Your ebooks, right? Booking builder. When I set appointments with people, I like to know who I'm talking to. So then it's connect straight to your Zoom that you are using. So this way you can set up a call with your prospects or your business partners, and they can book a time that's convenient for you and them, right? We have a digital magazine. I love the digital magazine. I mean, matter of fact, let's just go in here real quick. I just finished a digital magazine that I built for myself, which I thought was really pretty cool. I'm going to open it up. I want you to be able to see exactly what I created. Let's open this up. Boom. This is just amazing. Look at that. It's about digital real estate. I kind of just give a breakdown on how I'm building in the crypto space. But the fact that this is just like a regular book, something phenomenal that you can do. Everything is digital. So you might as well give your prospects or your leads and your customers another way to view your information on a digital level, right? It's just pretty cool. I like that. Can't beat that. All right. Now, what else am I going to? I'm going to show you a bunch of different things, but I just wanted to show you some of the things. The WhatsApp Launch Manager, a Funnel Club. The Funnel Club is truly amazing as well. It has a lot of different aspects of what Builderall offers in terms of who we are.
Congratulations.
The branding who we are, right? We want to be able to, create a great business. So you have autoresponder, you have connected email, has a link generator. You can set up so many different ways, quick funnels. You can do it for different niches if you choose to. There's so many different ways, right? See, niche funnels, lead capture funnels, agency funnels, information, physical products, chatbots. Guys, AI is taking over, right? So why not be able to produce your own? You can even create these on your own and sell them individually. That's another reason why I love Builderall, because it creates different sources of income, meaning that you can create different products and services, websites, and different things for other business partners who don't have the time. Right? Because all it is dedicating the time to learn how to do it themselves. But if they're like, listen, I'd rather pay you, these chats are going from anywhere from $500 to $5,000, guys. Builderall Funnel Builder, viral funnels, sales funnels, because sometimes you just want to get straight to the meat and potatoes, right? You want to be able to provide yourself with everything that you have to make it automated, right? Because all of this is inside of this particular funnel that we have that allows you to just pay this monthly fee and get started right away in the Funnel Club. Okay, so it's pretty cool. What else am I going to show you? We also have, like I said, the webinars. You can create webinars. Now, what if you want to have a webinar or you had one, or you want people, because one was so amazing. Most of us who are online, we know we build certain things. We have these different calls, but some of them are so powerful with a lot of testimonies, and you want to provide that particular one. So what you can do is create it, whether it's on your website or through lead generation, where you provide people with that webinar. They get an email, right? They put in their email actually, and they will be able to take a look at the information and respond to it at the same time, right? You got transparent transparent videos, a script generator for those people who say, I'm not sure what to say. I'm not sure what to put in my email, how to respond. You know, it's not about just selling. It's also about having a conversation and building a relationship to get people to understand where you are in your business or your journey, and see if it resonates with them. A 3D photo studio. There's so many different things. Let me see what else we have. Okay, we went through here. The quiz builder. I love that. That quiz is pretty cool. You also have delivery for those people who have what? E-commerce. Guys, you can utilize Builderall's e-commerce platform in a sense. And if you are selling something, whether it's a course or even ebooks or any type of thing, you can have it delivered, guys, using Builderall's checkout system. It's just amazing. SMS messaging, browser notification, website bot for your for your website. Like, come on, like I said, AI is taking over. Builderall has been utilizing these methods already for a couple of years. CRM, custom emails, Telegram, Messenger, Instagram bots. We know how powerful it is to be able to, if somebody come on and leave you a message, that you send them something directly that will kind of answer any questions, provide them with a way to get in contact with you, or even if they ask how on your page, right? You can set it up to where if they ask for more information that you send, it sends them a direct message to follow your instruction, okay? The WhatsApp Launch Manager, social proof, which is very important because when they go to your website, it pops up who just bought something, who just came into or opted into your pages. The mock-up studio, whew, I love that. Video hosting. Sometimes, some of these companies like YouTube or other sites that you have to upload your information to will find that maybe it's something that they think is going against their rules and regulations, so they won't let you play it, or they may shadow ban you. You can upload your information directly from your PC or from your phone to your website, and you can play whatever you want. You're talking about having the power at your hand. Builderall is amazing. A design source, so if you want to create and add things to your websites, right? You can add as many domains. You can have domain, subdomains. You can have one domain and then create different subdomains for your different websites, right? You have SEO. Man, listen, I upgraded when I first started learning how to create websites. I knew nothing. I had an F grade. Well, some of these top-notch companies like Amazon has a F grade for their website, but they're selling multi-billions of dollars worth of stuff. I've had it now for a little while now. I have 2 websites that I built that are an A, okay? A standing, right? And SEO, what we also understand about this, when people are looking for you, right? When they put you in the search engines, the Builderall teaches you how to put your business on the front page, how to get your site ranked. And it's just a matter of putting your information out there. Matter of fact, let me see. I think this is one of my websites. I have 8. Let's see. Let me see if I'm not making myself out to be a liar. But what it does is provide you the tools to let you know what you need to do to change your website. Oh, this one is the F. Okay, this is not it. Give me 1 second. So what you would do is you put it in, and you put in let me see. You put in a keyword. I forgot to put the keyword. You put in a keyword to the site. Okay, where are you? Now I can't find the site that has it, right? I have a few of them. I forget. It's been a while since I've been back here. Here we go. A+. See, I wasn't lying. Now, this is one of my best sites. This is my branding site of wealth strategies, GLQ Wealth Strategies. And what I like about it is that it provides you with everything out of this criteria on this page analysis. I got 4 out of 4. I got 6 out of 7 right here. I got 7 out of 9 right here. See, the things that are missing is telling you what you can use, appropriate keyword usage that I was missing, keyword usage and data description. But either way, out of this one, I got 2 out of 5. So it's providing some things that you need to understand how to create a perfect page that will allow people to be able to get to you. And that's what it's all about, right? It's about creating that atmosphere that's going to provide information to get directly to you. We have a marketplace, which I talked about in terms of you have a store. You can create an e-commerce store with Builderall, and you can use PayPal to have a phenomenal checkout. You don't have to do anything, don't have to respond to people. It's all automated. You can sell things, and you can also pay commission to anybody who sells your information on Builderall, or sell it yourself. You have a share locker. What I like about that is because sometimes there's a lot of information being passed on social media. What if you wanted to give somebody something for free, or you wanted to provide them with some information? You have a way that you can share some information and say, hey, do me a favor, share this for me, and I'll give you free XYZ, or I'll provide you with a strategy or ebook if you just share it. Okay. You got VA access. I love that. When I had somebody trying to create a different type of add-on to my website, I did not know, I gave them access to be able to get into my one particular account. So this way that they can have access to fixing stuff in the back end of coding. Truly amazing. We have ClickMat website agency. There's some people who don't want to really learn a whole bunch. They just want access to emails and be able to have an autoresponder, or just certain different things that they want. They just need a simple website with one landing page or something like that to get them going, connect the domain. You can now create a website agency that you can charge them whatever you want. You can charge them whatever you want for whatever you set them up with, okay? Then you got a URL shortener, which we all know is very important, especially in today's economy, stuff online. You don't want them long, unprofessional link to some of these different things that you're doing. You want to be able to put a link shortener to something. Got the help desk, and we got the, this is a tool for managing, organizing, and tasking and things like that. All right. So there's a lot of stuff there. They add in things all the time, which I really love. And the main goal is to be able to put yourself in a position to set yourself up to create the phenomenal business model that you need. Builderall is amazing for that in itself, okay? And like I said, there's so many different ways to be able to earn with this. There's so many different ways to be able to connect with people, right? You can put an autoresponder. You have different chat funnels. Now, say if you want to come over here and create a chat bot for yourself or for a different type of business, you can do that. You can set up a chat bot for, maybe Facebook, maybe your business page, and you can get paid with it. That's what I love about it. You can get paid in Bitcoin, guys. You can get paid in Bitcoin, and you can make a residual income from it. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, that's just some of the stuff I've done. So bottom line is, guys, if you really want to figure out how you can put yourself in a position to really, really, really hone in on your business, this is a great business in a box to use. I've been using it now for, like I said, almost 5 years now. And it's just amazing. And then what I love about it is if you share with other people who are doing phenomenal, just think about it. I've been paying somebody passive income for 5 years, the person I joined. Imagine if you are connected with people who are serious about their business like I am. They will be paying you for 5 years, right? Or however long that they are in business. As long as you, provide assets, which is you. You are the asset to Builderall. They provide a lot of help and direct way to reach out to them, but you could also provide them with a way to get a 14-day trial. This way that they can see how it works, help them figure it out what it is that you can do to put them in a position to make sure that they utilize this business in a box to create the income that they need, as well as yourself. All right. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you. All the links will be below. Have a good one. See you at the top, because the bottom is way too crowded.